Before you scroll, let me ask you a simple question. What would your life look like if you really focused for just 90 days? Not a whole year, not a 5-year plan, just 3 months of intentional, distraction-free effort. You might think it's impossible to change that fast, but the truth, 90 days is long enough to change your habits, your routines, your income path, and your identity. And today, I'll show you exactly how. Hey friend, welcome back to Barite, where we talk productivity, self-mastery, entrepreneurship, and the systems that help you build a life you're proud of. If you're tired of feeling stuck or scattered, this video will help you finally break through. Hit subscribe so you don't miss more clarity-packed videos like this. Let me tell you a short story that changed how I work. A researcher once followed 153 entrepreneurs from the idea stage all the way to their launch. And the surprising pattern, almost all of their major progress happened in the first 12 weeks, not the entire year. Why? Because 90 days is that sweet middle ground. It's short enough to stay motivated, but long enough to see real results. It's clear enough to measure your progress, yet flexible enough to adapt. Think about it. Big annual goals feel so far away that your brain doesn't feel any urgency. Weekly goals often feel too small, and they don't really build momentum. But 90 days, your brain sees it, feels it, and believes it's possible. That's why companies, CEOs, athletes, even the highest performers use 90-day systems. And now you will too. The first step is the hardest. You must choose only one goal. Not 5, not 10, just one. Because focus creates power. A phone flashlight just spreads light everywhere. A laser, on the other hand, can cut through steel. It's the same energy, just with a different level of focus. So what's your laser goal for the next 90 days? Here are some examples to get you started. Grow your online business to 200,000 Naira a month. Lose 10 kilograms in a healthy, sustainable way. Write 20,000 words of a book. Ask yourself this: if I improve only one area of my life for the next 90 days, what would transform my life the most? Write it down right now. Don't overthink it. Just pick one. Now, to avoid feeling overwhelmed, you need to break your 90-day goal into 3 30-day chunks. Let's say your goal is to start a profitable online business. Your milestones could look like this. In month 1, you build the foundation. That means you research, choose your niche, validate your idea, and build a simple brand identity. In month 2, you build and test. You create your product or service, set up your content systems, and test it out with your first customers. And in month 3, you launch and scale. You launch publicly, review your results, refine your offers, and start marketing aggressively. If your goal is health, it might look more like this. In month 1, you reset your habits, fix your sleep, stay hydrated, and go for a walk every day. In month 2, you increase the intensity with structured workouts and a better meal plan. And in month 3, you build a sustainable lifestyle. You work on your discipline, track your progress, and reduce your cravings. Breaking it down like this makes the goal feel so much more doable. Next, you need to set daily non-negotiables. Most people fail because their daily routine doesn't actually match their goals. So for the next 90 days, you're going to set 3 non-negotiables every single day. First, one needle-moving task. This is the big one. If you're in business, this is creating content, emailing clients, or building your product. For fitness, it's your workout. For money, it's saving or learning. Second, one maintenance task. This is for things like emails, replies, admin work, or household tasks. And third, one learning task. Read books, take courses, watch tutorials. Just 20 to 30 minutes a day is all you need. With this structure, you get better every single day. Now, you don't need massive amounts of time. You just need a system that fits into your life. Here's a simple 1-hour daily routine you can use. Spend 20 minutes planning your day. Then 25 minutes of deep work, phone off, notifications off. And finally, 15 minutes learning something useful. If you repeat this system every single day for 90 days, I promise your productivity will double. Your environment shapes your habits more than motivation ever will. A messy room leads to a scattered mind. A phone sitting nearby means no focus. A loud environment equals no progress. So you need to set up a clean workspace, a solid morning routine, and 0 distraction time blocks. Maybe try a no phone until 10 a.m. rule, or find a playlist that helps you get into deep work. And surround yourself with people who support your 90-day goal. This step alone can change your entire life. Finally, you need to reflect and adjust every week. Every Sunday, ask yourself 3 simple questions. What worked this week? What didn't work? And what will I improve next week? This is what keeps you accountable. No more drifting. No more guessing. You are in control of your progress. Here's the truth. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need to feel motivated every single day. You just need 90 days of focused, intentional action. Because your life doesn't change by accident, it changes by intention. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.